we're on the subject, let's take a quick look at the grid, how it's expected to keep up with the heat over the next 6 days. This is a forecast for you. So the blue line is how much power is projected to be used by all of us, and the purple line is how much is projected to be available. We never want those lines to cross. That, if it happens, could mean we'd maybe enter a rolling blackout situation. The closest those lines get, as we see, if you look at the date on the bottom of the graph, is coming up on Monday. It's probably day number 2, well over 100 degrees. Scotty was talking about over 100 on Sunday, I think was the first day, right?
Yeah, Scott, if we bring you in here, we're talking multiple days next week of triple-digit temperatures. So kind of fill us in what we're in for the next few days.
As soon as tomorrow, 99 to 100, and then in the middle of the week up to 106 on Wednesday is the hottest. We're forecasting 105 on Thursday, Friday 102, and then down to 99 Saturday, and then Sunday is going to feel cool at 94. So we are going to be seeing a heat dome building in, and as that builds in, it's going to put an end to these storms coming out of the west to the northwest that we've seen day after day, and we saw some more today developing on leftover energy from storms earlier. So as we take a look at the first alert radar, I did alert again for tonight into the early morning hours because of storms that are out to the west. Right now, there's some scattered shower activity worked its way through Palo Pinto County, down through parts of Eastland County. Further off to the west northwest, you can see this dry line storms continue to push their way to the east. One severe storm to the west of Wichita Falls. So the National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 3. Does not include the Metroplex, but just to the west. Palo Pinto County, Parker County, Jack County, also stretching closer towards Wise County. That's where we do have the severe thunderstorm watch until 3. Biggest threat, maybe some severe hail and then also damaging wind gusts. So that slight risk of severe storms today, now into tonight to tomorrow, still in play for us for, again, both of those parameters reaching those severe limits. First Alert Futurecast picks up on the activity that we're seeing, at least for right now, relatively well. A lot of this looks like it should be dissipating as it moves its way into North Texas, and then into tomorrow morning. Cloud cover is going to stick around. It's not going to last all day long. Then into the afternoon hours, we're going to be seeing a whole lot of sunshine, allowing us to warm up to near 99 to near 100. Maybe in the early evening hours, we could see a couple more storms out west try to make their way east. But I think we're going to be really working into this drier pattern. But we're not going to be dry as we're sweating so much. Heat advisory has been extended through 8 o'clock Saturday. Does include all the counties indicated in orange. Does not include the Metroplex for those feels like temperatures up to 108. Our First Alert future feels like temperature forecast model, say that 3 times fast, it's going to be up to about 108, 109. So it might be overdoing it just a bit. But here's that heat dome as it builds its way on in the upper levels and parks right overhead going into Wednesday. Right now we're sitting at 79 degrees, winds out of the south at 10 for us. As you take a look across the Metroplex, not too bad. Upper 70s to the lower 80s. You already saw that 7-day forecast, and well, here it is again. First Alert 7-day forecast. Lots of sunshine, pretty hot temperatures on the way by next Friday. A bit more cloud cover, but still 102.